Các bạn ấy ăn đôi này, cá đôi là bên đây chứ đi mày hay hay các bạn hey
No, some of them are already. I'm just. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna dump it inside this first. Before? Okay.
Korean soup.
I'm gonna do one for now.
We're here for Brandon's birthday dinner. Here at Shyla's Korean barbecue.
Wait, yo. Here, do you want some? Oh shoot, you want this big piece? Yeah? Okay.
Joseph is here too.
Yeah, this yours? Oh, you gotta eat it, Don. You got a little piece. You got a little piece? Oh, you got a big piece.
Where's the pepper?
Here, I got a big piece.
It's in the back.
And some. Just trying to make it fair.
Huh? Hey. Hi. Hi, Lila. And Lila. And Lila, Levi. Nè. Chụp bỏ nhé, chụp bỏ. Chụp khéo. We're here taking the kids out for Brandon's birthday. And Joseph just came to join us he's here in Fresno.
Did you put salt?
Yes.
And we just met up with him.
You did this side too?
It's pretty cool. Fresno.
Yeah.
Do you want the sauce on the side?
Oh, no, that's good.
Not so much.
Oh shit. I have a gig right now. I have a verse live later tonight. Miracle? Yeah. If I'll come, think I'm watching you. No, that's alright.
I put some of the pepper chaka.
Let's have a break. It's my first meal today, man.
Don't forget. The most important thing. Without this, how would you
Homemade chili pepper.
Are they live right now?
We have to have that everywhere we go. Even to the lobster buffet.
Yeah.
Jaden and Kira's towards the end. Jill and Brennan in the middle. And Dad and Joseph. Baby Levi. Baby Levi. Up. Baby Levi.
Bulgogi, beef brisket.
Oh, because I look the same.